Hello, Angelique with Lady Powerhouse here. I just saw something come across my feed about Calendly and Google Calendar. So Google updated their spam rules, and it's affecting the Google Calendar and when you're using a scheduling product like Calendly. We use Calendly. And it's the same though for any external scheduling product. So kind of want to run through really quickly. I've did a social media post and linked to a couple of help articles, but it really isn't all that. It's just a couple of steps. So if you're in your Google Calendar, you're going to go to settings, just general settings. And then you're going to scroll down until you get to um, event settings, and it'll say add invitations to my calendar. And the new default, which when they rolled out the update, it's going to default to only if the sender is known. So you need to flip that back to from everyone. That's if you use a third-party scheduler. That will allow the third-party scheduler to do what it needs to do. The other place to go in and do an update is, well, it's not going to show up there. You're going to click on the three dots next to the calendar and click settings and sharing. And then you're going to scroll down to other notifications and click this little box right here. This little box should be indicated and allow responding to invitations forwarded through alternative email addresses. So that's the second step, and that's really about it. So as long as you're doing this on your main Google Workspace account, it should flow down through any of the other created calendars. Shared calendars, different story. Each calendar needs to go through this process. So hope this is helpful to you. I will also drop the links for the two help articles. There's one on Google and there's one on Calendly. If you use a different platform than Calendly, just search their help section. It'll most likely something will pop up. All right. Hope this helps and have a great day.